Hello everyone and welcome to my Silent Film Online database tutorial. So Silent Film Online is a video database available through ProQuest, which is available through the USM Library website that provides access to over 1,000 different silent films, videos, and related video materials. Some of the available materials include the original Nosferatu from 1922, The Great Train Robbery from 1903, which is one of the first silent films, The Birth of a Nation from 1915, as well as Charlie Chaplin's The Immigrant, which was released in 1917. Silent Film Online is a great resource for people doing different kinds of research, from social scientists looking at, popular films of the time period like Nosferatu, or even like The Birth of a Nation. Just having access to these old films is a really great resource, as a lot of them aren't really readily available online anywhere. You can't really find these on YouTube. So the database has one main search function, which is right here at the top, which allows users to search just by a keyword, which can be a name, the name of the video, the name of an actor, or even like a year. So we're going to search for Chaplin, of course. Charlie Chaplin is arguably one of the most well-known silent film actors. And so we get a results page like this. And so on this page, you get the title of the video, the publisher, and then the release date. So the release date is really helpful because we can see that these three are from 97, 96, and 2010. So the three of these are not going to be actual silent films featuring Charlie Chaplin. These are going to be films about him. So to refine it down to just films that he starred in, we can do that through filtering results. So under the Filter Your Results tab, you can filter by subject, content type, publisher, language, person, and release date. So for this, we're going to go by person. So we're going to select Charlie Chaplin, of course. And then from there, we have 55 videos. And we're going to backtrack this path way before all of this, and we're going to do 1918. So now we just have videos from 1914 and 1918, focusing on Charlie Chaplin the person. So now we have 49 videos rather than 122. So from here we have all of the videos just in sequential order from 1914 through 1918. And so we can really click on, so if we wanted to watch one of these videos, pick The Vagabond. The Vagabond is another popular film by Charlie Chaplin. So when we click on this, we get the small media player, which will give basic detailed information, like the runtime, the director, the performers, and then a brief description. But if we select play on the video, we get to watch the full video, but we also have this details tab, which gives a lot more information than when we initially clicked on the video. So this will give publication type, field of interest, specialized area of interest, country of origin, all of those kinds of things. Also a URL for the Internet Movie Database, which will also give you more information about the video. So for researchers that may not know about IMDb, this is a very helpful little tool to have on the video. So from here we can share the video. There's even a tab for clips from the video. So if you were to sign into the website and you could clip a certain portion of the video if you were going to use it for research, that way you could just click back and forth. You wouldn't have to watch through the video. You could just click on the clip. There's also an option to cite the video, which is really helpful for people that may not regularly cite videos in their research. Of course, you have to be a little cautious with these and double check the citations that it gives you just to make sure that they are standard with whatever manual you're using. So looking at the main media screen, you get the standard video options of play. You can skip back and forth between videos that you watched or videos that are suggested. You can change the volume, you can change the quality, you can show the video information on the side. You can also enter the video full screen. So this is a very basic overview of this resource, and I hope that this is helpful.